Hi. In this video, I'm continuing with Canva's AI animation tools and showing you a more advanced way to animate your images using the custom feature in Magic Studio. In my previous video, I showed how to quickly turn a static book cover into an animated video using Smart Animation in Canva Pro. This time we're going a step further. So instead of letting AI decide everything, you'll be able to guide the animation and customize how your image moves and feels. First, I'll quickly repeat the basic setup, creating a new design, uploading the book cover, and applying Smart Animation, just to show the starting point. This time, instead of relying on automatic animation, I wrote a prompt to guide the AI and shape the final result. I'm trying a few different versions of the animation here. Not every result matches my style, and that's completely normal. It really comes down to personal taste. This time I do not change my prompt, just try another versions of AI video based on the same prompt. Okay, I will save this version to my design. To add another scene, I simply duplicate the page and clear it for the next animation. I repeat all steps and go to the Magic Studio and choose its custom animation. Again, here I use the same prompt as before. I like this animation and add it to my design. To have more variety and avoid using the same video everywhere, I'll create a third animation of my cover. At this point, you already know how it works, so I'll show you another version of the same animated cover. I use the same prompt as before. This animation isn't quite what I'm looking for. Let's try another version. Not every result will match your vision, so it's completely fine to generate another version. I like this one, so I'll add it to my design as the third animated version of this cover. Now let's save this animated design as a video file. Go to Share, then Download and choose MP4 format. Once it's exported, your animated book cover is ready to use. You can use these short animations for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, your website, email marketing, book launch promotions, or even paid ads. One quick note: this works best with your own cover designs. If your cover was created by a designer, make sure you have the rights to modify or animate it before using AI tools like this. Think of Canva AI as your creative partner. It gives you options, and you choose the one that fits your vision. And that's it. You've just turned a static book cover into engaging video content. Want to learn more about Canva Pro? Subscribe and turn notifications on. Interested in the Throne of Flames complete Fae Fantasy Romance series? You'll find the link in the description. Bye.